Hi guys, this is Noit from Ajax Nissan. I'm just going to show you how to connect your iPhone to a 2018 Rogue. It's very easy, few steps. So first you go to your phone settings, you go to your Bluetooth, and we turn it on. And then we go here, we press the talk button.
Please say or select a command.
Phone.
Phone. There is no phone connected. Would you like to connect a phone now?
Yes.
Yes. Transferring to the connections menu.
After that, you just press add new. And then you should be able to find My Rogue on your phone. You push on it, pair, and allow your contacts to be synced. And there you go, you can play music, make phone calls, and text messages. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day.